This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Missy Johnson. Great basement rancher on huge lot with garage, carports and RV carport parking. A little TLC would make this one shine even more, and you only have county taxes. Main level has 3 bedrooms, BTH, living room, kid/dining room combo, covered deck and covered front porch. Downstairs has family room west/fireplace, wood stove, 4th bedroom, office, and utility room. This is country living at its best, and you're 15 minutes from downtown Knoxville and approximately 20 minutes from Pigeon Forge. As is. Showings will continue all weekend, and any offers will be considered on Monday evening, June 21, 2021, pre-qual letter or proof of funds required with all offers. For more information, review the details below or contact Missy Johnson at 865-584-4000.